ZOESHAAA. Okay guys, so I'm about to surprise Babe with his anniversary gift. We had a party, which you guys will see coming up later on, but we had a party for our anniversary. We were supposed to go away, didn't end up going away, so we had a party instead. And we decided, because we spent money on the party, we were going to delay gift giving. So I partnered up with a company by the name of Paint Your Life, and they reached out to me to gift somebody with a gift, and I decided to choose Joel. The gift didn't turn out to be exactly what I wanted, but it's still a beautiful gift regardless. So I'm going to surprise him with it right now. I just sent him downstairs to go and get something from somebody. Nobody's going to be downstairs, so I'm going to make him wait down there for a little bit. I have a card. And I also have a cake for him, because since he's been here, it's been a tradition that I buy him a cake for every month that he's been here. So it's his 3 months, and I specifically delayed it. Didn't give him one. He didn't even remember, because I didn't give it to him, that it was his 3 months. So I have the 3-month cake. Speaking of which, I got the candle for it, and whatchamacallit, I'm gonna give him the gifts. I'm gonna set up right now. I'm so excited. We just got finished recording a video, and as I said, I just sent him downstairs to go and get the thingy thingy. So I'm gonna set you guys up. I'm so nervous. This is gonna be like, why'd you have to make me go downstairs? But I'm gonna set you guys up. Turn on the lights. And let's light a candle. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so nervous. Eating this cheesecake that I bought him. Hello? Yeah, she said she's coming. No, she's coming. Alright. Call me back in like 2 minutes or 5 minutes if they don't come. And I'll call. Alright.
It feels so good right now. We get to go celebrate.
He's like, are they here yet? Baby, nobody ain't coming. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, so this is the gift. This is the gift. Oh. It's huge. Slice. It's like some banana something cake. I don't even know 100%. Alright, so this is what we're looking like down here, guys. I'm gonna call him and tell him to come up soon. Oops. So this is what we're looking like. Mr. Tingling, it has the thing, yeah. And then this is the gift. As I said, you guys, it's freaking huge. Okay. Okay, before he comes up, you guys, so Paint Your Life, right? They make basically any picture or anything that it is that you guys have into like a beautiful painting. And it's so funny because the other day, Babe and I were talking about decor and stuff that we wanted for the house, and he was like, you know what? He's like, I want to paint all of us. Like, he's like, anybody can get a picture, anything like that. Like, you can blow up a picture. Like, you know, pictures now have become so normalized. Like, once upon a time, like back in the days, you know, getting a picture was like, you had to go through a lot of stuff now. So like getting a picture nowadays blown up, it's whatever. Like, you have pictures on your phone, it's whatever. But painting, chef's kiss. I just can't wait to see his expression and everything. And again, thank you so much to Paint Your Life for reaching out to me and collaborating with me and sponsoring this video. I'm amazed. I've seen it like just in the rendering stage, but I have not fully seen it like in person. I busted open a little bit just to like make sure like it was me, you know, the right picture, but like I haven't actually seen it. So hello? Well, I'm gonna call her and see what she'll say. Okay, hold on, let me call her and see. I'm so getting patient.
Classic recipe playlist.
She said police stop her up the road, so come upstairs. Okay guys, what do I do with my like being here like?
If you let me go back to that room, I'm gonna come back with more stuff, so let's just close the suitcase before I come back with more stuff.
When he's coming in, I want to
Today,
me because I
we are packing up and getting ready to go for our honeymoon. I'm so excited.
And went to Rishikesh, which is a beautiful town.
I don't know why. Surprise!
I guess I was there.
Yes.
I don't know if I was there so long.
Okay, but yes, I did. I had to. I had to. I was like, watch him cuss me for sending him downstairs.
No, I can't know. Get a gift card.
Yes, that gift card. This is your belated anniversary gift and your third month. Your third month in Canada. In one. Yes. Should I light this first, or do you want to read your candle first?
Yeah.
Or your card first? Okay.
Alright, so now it's going.
Throughout the day, you can read it in your head. Come in the thing. Yeah. Da 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 dee da 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 da. Da 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 dee da 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 da. Happy 3 months in Canada. Alright, summer fireworks, go.
Oh, 60?
Yes! Get your phone. Take a picture. Quick.
Face ID, don't feel me.
Babe.
3 months and I was a gift card.
You can't show them what I wrote.
Can I reach you that so fast? 3 months and I was a gift card.
You can't show them what I
3 months in a Canada, babe.
Okay, you ready for your anniversary gift?
Yeah.
Because I'm excited for you to get this.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me give you a little rundown.
Artistry.
Yes, let me give you a little rundown. We had a conversation about this a few weeks ago.
Just that was your cake I'm saying ever.
No, I know, and I was like, thank God he didn't eat
I
it.
look chocolate-ish.
It's not, it's banana.
And cheese.
It's banana.
Let's
It's
drink a
cream
banana.
cheese, yeah.
I'm asking the niggas like cheese.
No, yeah, cream cheese.
So,
Yeah, yes, we talked about this a few weeks ago. And whatever the case may be, and I was like, oh my God, I'm so happy that you mentioned that because like.
no, I'm seriously hard I need for having this stuff for I get it
No,
also.
no,
See, put on one side, man. So what type of hard
no, it's not in order. So, yeah, okay, let me just give you a little story. What is in here is what I wanted to give you for your gift. However, it's not exactly what I wanted it to be initially.
in terms of
What I wanted it to be initially, I wanted it to be something where our parents were included. However, the photo that we have of your dad, which is the only picture that we have of your dad, if you guys don't know, based
that in there?
no, it's not because
Oh.
the quality wasn't great.
Oh, enough for me out
Yeah,
to
to bring it out.
I'm
and
still
to
gonna try to
his-
get that picture.
to
Frame
get
that
his
picture.
image and stuff like that. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna try to do something with it, or try to get it like the actual.
I get
one
that
that
next
uses
image
or
or something. Yeah,
something.
yeah.
So it did not get to work out, and I was really sad. But I appreciate get
I don't look as I
right.
would have
So
wanted.
I appreciate them for
the
that.
quality, yeah, honestly.
Then the next one that I wanted to do was I wanted to kind of combine the Empress and with you know, something like us.
Yeah.
But the two pictures that I wanted to use, it just wasn't gonna work. So I just kind of stuck with
The
something.
artistry is what basically.
Well, I know you soon find out. This is gonna be something that is gonna be able to stay with us for ever, to be perfectly honest. And it's just gonna be a constant reminder of, you know. So I feel like it's very fitting for our anniversary. I hope you love it. And yeah.
The 3 month in Canada, 2-year anniversary.
Yes.
So that one.
Shit. Yes, 2 years.
Like a 20. Reveal. What a big gift. I have a TV. Artistry TV.
Right. Well, I don't pull out everything.
Someone I want to get it?
I don't know.
You want to see that now?
No.
I'm more than one thing to wait a minute.
I don't know.
Oh,
Okay.
you, this I give.
Anything else?
No more than that. That's it.
Okay.
That's
That's it. Okay.
What a big box.
Open this one first.
Crescent Brands. You know how I know?
I really don't. Like I know what it is, but I don't know like what it is.
It's empty.
It's empty?
Yeah, it's coming out.
Oh shucks.
Probably if we go fit in at that. I probably somebody take one and we give it like that.
Okay.
Reveal. I'll give nothing else in that one. What's off tape? What you like so? Look photogenic. Like on the back that.
Oh my god!
Yo, what up? I'm here with you. I can't see how I'm see how I tell me see how. Yo, babe. Don't tell me see how that image is actually trying.
Babe, open this up thing.
Yo!
Open this up.
And the picture you love I'm putting a frame.
Open this up.
Yo, I can't overthink this, yo. If I that, nah, like. Crazy, babe.
Isn't it so freaking pretty?
Who did this?
Oh my god, you guys!
Oh!
It's literally a painting.
Check say it was a picture.
No.
True that and everything.
No,
You see that's
it's
bit
a
blow it up.
painting, you guys.
Yo, look on the background. Oh, they actually get the exact.
Beautiful.
Look like exactly the venue.
Exactly. Everything.
The literal picture them
Down
trying
to my bracelet.
I'm a ring, down to my
yes,
ring.
your
Down to
ring.
my earring.
Everything. Your cut.
Yo!
little body.
People, man, look on this. It doesn't look like it's a picture, it's actually a painting, people. You know, we love painting.
Yes.
Sit up on the wall forever and ever.
Look at that, yo.
On the wall, yo, this is all over the wall.
Hold on,
Take
you
a
guys.
picture. On my phone.
Hold on, you guys. Look at it on the wall. Yes.
Oh, babe, this is, yo, babe, and the gas now.
It's beautiful.
It's the most amazing of a gift
Hold
you
on,
can ever
taking a
get.
picture.
Like, when I'm old, babe. You look on the thing, man, the man draw the tree, them with the flowers, and the same flowers.
I think it's a woman that did it, but this is her signature. I have to go back and see on it.
Yeah, it's a female lady, this evening.
I think so. But yes,
The
guys.
whole definition of your dress, everything.
Everything. My hair, everything.
That person, you're talented, yo.
God. So you guys, basically, paint your life. Thank you again so much. As you can see from my husband's reaction, he absolutely loves it.
This is so
But you guys,
amazing. I never had a wireless dream.
you guys get to go on the website. You guys get to choose what type of painting it is that you're looking for. You know what I mean? And then you guys get to. You're welcome, babe.
This is one of the most amazing gifts.
Ah, you're welcome. You guys get to choose.
Priceless.
You guys get to choose your artist.
So your ear cut and draw out everything on my face. Your ear, the curl, and everything. Oh, them do this. Like I don't want the person even bring out so much that definition and all that.
Yeah.
In a painting, you know.
Yeah.
This This is crazy talent. Mad talent this.
I guess wife of the year again.
Yo, it's a...
So yeah, you guys get to choose your wait, pause it for a second. Pause it for a second. You guys get to choose your artist, and as I said, as you guys heard me tell Babe, they will literally communicate with you in regards to whether or not your images are clear enough for them to use. If you guys have somebody you know that passed away, or you guys just want to include people that maybe missed out on an event, because that's literally what I wanted to do, was include all of our parents in our wedding pictures, because our parents, not all of our parents were able to be there, but it just didn't work out. But I feel like this was the best option that I could have honestly chose. And again, like it's hand drawn. Like I don't know how I can explain it.
Over the prices we can find really.
It's like almost better than our pictures.
Yo, exactly.
Literally, like I don't know how to explain it, but I'm so grateful, and Babe loves it. I'm super happy. This whole surprise. This whole surprise was definitely worth it. You guys get to pick your frame. I got to pick what frame it was that I wanted.
I come like this now, show it actual. You put it in a picture. Is that painting this now? Another picture on phone.
You know, they approve it first. They ask you if you want to add anything, change anything, everything like that before it's sent to you. You get to choose whether you want them to sign it. I wanted the signature because I wanted it to feel really authentic.
Yeah, kind of you like avatar look, you know?
Yeah, like.
Yeah, I love it.
So excited. So again, thank you so much to Paint Your Life for sponsoring this video, you guys. My discount code and all of the information that you guys will need to know will be in the comment section or in the description box down below. Happy 3 months and happy 2-year anniversary to the Tinglies.
3 months in.
Come give me keys. Happy anniversary, Wally. Bye guys. See you guys in the next video. Whatever that is. And yeah, thank you guys so much for stopping by.
Big up artistry, you know, the artist herself. Alright.